Behind you.
No, I'm still shaking.
Okay, you have to look at it. I'll
Yeah.
make you.
You
I'll
have
just
to look at it. Let me turn the volume up.
The volume's already down.
No, to 25.
Oh my god.
For 20.
There you go.
I put it.
No one likes this game no more.
Nobody.
Just checking with your mom too.
That was the scariest thing I've ever done in my life. Please don't. Is it recording? Is it?
Yeah.
What?
What? That was weird.
Okay. You owe me a massage for this.
Yeah, you look.
Hell no. I only owe Samantha.
Samantha,
So
you
you still
have
have to look at the face.
you have to do the third level.
No! Yes! No, seriously, it hurt me when I fell back too. Like, it hurt my ribs and everything. I think I almost died. Literally. I got scared to death. I cannot see that face again.
This is so ugly.
Can I just listen to the sound and scream? Oh, this better be worth that massage.
Alright. Shit.
Don't cry.
I will cry.
Is it recording? It better be. God. You gotta see the face.
Oh my god, I'm almost there.
Holy shit.
Oh my god, I know what to do! This crazy bitch.